Jai Shri Ram. Sundarkanda Parayanam chapter 35. Hanuman earns Sita Devi's trust. Sita Devi listened to Hanuman, then slowly and softly asked him, "O monkey, please tell me how you met Sri Rama. How do you know Lakshmana? How did a friendship develop between humans and monkeys? Tell me about Sri Rama once again. Describe Sri Rama in detail to me. My agony will disappear. How does Sri Rama look? How are his hands and feet?" Hanuman replied, "O lotus-eyed lady, fortunately, you have recognized me as Sri Rama's messenger. I am happy about that. Even though you know how Sri Rama and Lakshmana look, you are asking me again. Let me elaborate for you. Sri Rama is lotus petal-eyed. Sri Rama is very handsome. With his pleasant disposition, Sri Rama attracts all living creatures. He is very kind. His good qualities are by birth. Sri Rama is radiant like the sun. He possesses the patience equivalent to Mother Earth. He is as famous as Devendra. He always protects this world. He always protects all four castes. He is in charge of worldly rules. He takes action. He is very radiant. He is worth worshipping. He helps good people. He is very well aware of the consequences of all deeds. He is well versed in all the Vedas and Shastras. He has an impeccable character. He is righteous. He brings agony to his enemies. He is well versed in the Yajurveda. He is an expert archer and war strategist. O Mata, he has broad shoulders, a conch-like neck, a beautiful face and beautiful red eye corners. The long-armed Rama is a very careful man. He has a deep bass voice. His body color glitters. He has a well-proportioned body. He has a dark complexion. He has 4 lines on his forehead, palms and feet. Sri Rama is like a roaring lion. He can be ferocious like a cheetah, yet as calm as an elephant. Lakshmana is just like his brother in every respect. Then Hanuman narrated the story of how Sri Rama met Sugriva. These 2 lions, Sri Rama and Lakshmana, were searching for you. Vali kicked his brother Sugriva out of the kingdom. Sugriva was scared and was hiding in the Rishyamukha mountain range that has thick forests. We are his followers. These 2 beautiful brothers with their bows and arrows came to the Rishyamukha mountains. Sugriva was scared upon seeing them for the first time. I went closer and realizing their greatness, took them on my shoulders to meet Sugriva. Sri Rama and Sugriva conversed and became friends. Sri Rama and Sugriva have similar stories. His brother Vali snatched Sugriva's wife and Ravana stole Sri Rama's wife. They decided to help each other. Some monkeys found the ornaments that you had tied in a cloth and dropped. They brought them to Sri Rama. Sri Rama cried when he looked at the ornaments. Sri Rama is equally lamenting as you are. First, Sri Rama and Lakshmana went to Kishkinda to fight with Vali. In the battle, Vali was killed and Sugriva became the king of Kishkinda. The friendship between Sugriva and Sri Rama has grown. Sugriva ordered all his monkeys to look for you. Vali's son Angada and I came south with the army. We lost our way and were also out of the allotted time that Sugriva gave us. We were ready to kill ourselves. Right at that time, Jatayu's brother Sampati arrived and told us that Ravana took you to Lanka. Then they all decided to send me as a messenger. I crossed the ocean and came to Lanka. I am so lucky because the credit goes to me that I found you. I shall return and report the news of your whereabouts and how you are doing." Then Hanuman spoke about himself. There is a famous mountain called Malayavanta where an ape called Kesari lived. Some time ago he left Malayavanta mountain and went to Gokarna mountain. The gods ordered Kesari to kill the demon Sambhanandana. That Kesari is my father. His wife Anjana Devi was blessed by Vayudeva and I was born. Because of my childhood deeds, I received the name Hanumanta. O Mata, Sri Rama will come soon and take you away from here. Sita Devi convinced herself that Hanuman was a messenger. Hanuman requested of Sita Devi, "I have told you everything. Now let me know what you want me to do. I have to go back." Hanuman once again told Sita Devi that he is the son of Kesari, whose wife was blessed by Vayudeva. He told her that he was equal to Vayu. Jai Shri Ram. Sundarkanda Parayanam chapter 35 complete.